Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant push notifications for group updates on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the latest steps to disable push notifications for group updates on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started and help you take control of your LinkedIn experience. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, including notifications. Next, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section allows you to customize which notifications you receive and how you receive them. Now scroll through the notification categories until you find Groups. Click on Groups to expand the options related to group activities. Here, you'll see several types of group notifications, including invitations, recommendations, admin updates, and the one we're focusing on, Group Updates. Under Group Updates, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. This is what sends alerts directly to your device whenever there's a new update in your groups. To disable these, simply switch the toggle next to Push Notifications to the Off position. This will stop LinkedIn from sending you push notifications about group updates, while still allowing you to receive other notifications you might find useful. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled push notifications for group updates on LinkedIn. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to fine-tune your notifications further or turn them back on in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips just like this one. See you in the next video, much more focused and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter LinkedIn experience.